Now, the Competition Commission has approached the Constitutional Court for an appeal in the saga following the allegations that banks have conspired to manipulate the rand against the US dollar. The Constitutional Court is due to hear legal arguments today over 4 days starting today. Let's cross now to SABC News reporter Liabo Setho for more on this story. And if she is ready and can hear us, we'll try to establish, but unfortunately she isn't. So we'll have to come back to Liabo Setho on that one. Story taken to the Constitutional Court now. I believe she is there, so let's try one more time. Liabo Setho, if you can hear me, good morning. And of course, this one has been a long time in the making. And we did, of course, see some of the banks accept their fate, but others not taking it lying down.
We will be hearing from the Constitutional Court that will rule about whether the Competition Commission actually has powers to prosecute banks that are outside South Africa in this currency or rand manipulation case that has been going on for some time. But of course, this relates to the rand manipulation during the periods of 2007 and 2013 and not necessarily now. And as you say, yes, some of the banks did pay that penalty, but some other banks have not taken this line down. So one of those, Standard Chartered Bank, JP Morgan, Standard Bank, have all said that they will be fighting this. But with the two international banks, Sakina, they mostly are challenging the jurisdiction and the powers of the Constitutional Court, whether the Constitutional Court has powers to prosecute them. But the Competition Commission, I beg your pardon, has the powers to prosecute them since they're outside of South Africa. But the Competition Commission says whatever that has to do with the livelihood and the well-being of South Africans, yes, we would want to have a hand in it. They also say that this may have impacted South Africans and the economy at large during those periods of 2007 to 2013 when that rand collusion case is suspected to have taken place. We'll be hearing more information when we get into the Constitutional Court. Just outside here, I had a brief chat with a counsel for the fourth respondents, one of the banks, Kloof Dekker Hoffman. Unfortunately, she couldn't join us, but very interesting, and there's a lot of interest on this case, I'll tell you, and we'll be sitting here for the next 4 days until Friday, until the 22nd, and all the respondents will be making their arguments. We really want to hear what the Competition Commission has to say about its reasoning for this, and whether they do indeed have an upper hand or that jurisdiction over the banks that are outside of South Africa.